This is the refrigerator fruitcake.
This is holiday graham cracker juice.
Oh well, the holiday's over.
You mean holiday's over?
This won't go up till Saturday.
You Scrooge. As long
Nobody
as
wants
you
to
got
make
it.
fruitcake after Saturday. Anyway, we don't have a recipe video today because probably nobody's eating anything today. Probably eating's the last thing anybody's interested in. But I wanted to say hi, Merry Christmas, and thanks everybody for watching our videos.
Happy holidays!
That's it. So for this Saturday, no recipe video, but I will attach an old video of ours. I think we made this video like 10 years ago. Almost 10 years ago. But it was back when we were trying to be funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway.
Corny.
Enjoy, and we'll see you next year. Will it be next year?
No, I think we have one. I don't know.
No.
We can't count to 7.
It'll probably be
14.
next year.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Why is cracking an egg so hard? What a mess. Does anybody out there know how to crack an egg the right way? Yeah!
I'll show you how to crack an egg.
You're here to help little me?
No egg is going to defeat me.
Show me.
I am all powerful. I am all strong.
That's amazing.
I am not afraid of any egg. Aha! Ha ha ha! Take that. I will crack these eggs. I will crack their guts out. I will crack the guts out of these eggs. They will not survive.
You make it look so easy.
Look how easy it is. Look how easy I crack these eggs. I crack these eggs like they were eggs.
You're cracking too many eggs.
I'm not afraid of an egg. I'll show you.
The balls are mine.
You win this round. This time.
This is easy.